Some cars are just a mode of transport. Then, there's the Toyota Harrier GS, a statement of style, designed for those who seek more. Glistening in its elegant pearl finish, the distinctive GS badge is a promise of an elevated driving experience. Step inside. The black leather interior with its precise white stitching offers a blend of sportiness and sophistication. The intuitive cockpit puts you in control of a refined journey. This is not just a drive, it's an arrival, an experience crafted for elegance and performance. The Toyota Harrier Elegance GS 2015, available at 𝗏𝗄𝐶i Motors.